So this is OBS. OBS stands for Open Broadcasting Software. OBS is a free tool that you can download both for Windows, Mac OS, and even has Linux if that's what you're using. So this is a download tool, but it is great for creating a screen recording or a video tutorial for your students. So as you can see, I'm going to hop over here. I've got my YouTube channel. I'm here embedded in it, and what's really cool is that I can actually adjust the size of me if I wanted to. So I could shrink myself down here just a little bit more or make myself larger if I'd like. In addition to that, I can scroll through what I want to share with my participants. I've got my branding, as you can see, got that Twitter handle, got the Tech Tips 411. So it's a little bit more versatile in my opinion. I mean, the learning curve is a little bit higher, but you've got some options. As you can see, I'm using green screen and I have a background back here. So you can really embed a lot of options, so you can actually put yourself into your tutorials. So I think that OBS is a really cool option. Again, it is a download, so that means you have to be able to download it to either your Windows or Mac device. But I definitely love it. Lots of cool options. And I even use OBS to create a virtual camera with Google Meet and Microsoft Teams and Zoom, and I'll be making a tutorial about that at a future date. But yeah, so definitely check out OBS.